Welcome again in this video. So in this video we will discuss about the one of the frequently asked questions in the interview, right? So one of the most frequently asked questions is that the write a Python program which will validate the email ID or validate the Gmail ID. So how we are going to write the Python programs with the help of regular expressions to validate the any Gmail ID which is entered by the user. So this is the use case, this is the problem statement. So for example, if I'm going to enter this Gmail ID Dinesh at gmail.com, so this is a valid one. If I'm going to enter any of the another example, let's suppose Dinesh gmail.com, so in that case this is not a invalid, right? So you have to write one program that will check and validate whether user has input the correct Gmail ID or not. So how we are going to do this? Let's see. So for that, we are going to use the regular expressions. So regular expression library, we have to import that is the RE in the short form, and then we have to take the input from the users, right? And then we have to do the regular expression full match, and these are the filter conditions, matching conditions for the particular input which is given by the users, right? If that is none, in that case, valid email ID. If it not none, if it none, it means that that is an invalid email ID. If it is matching, that will provide you an output. If it is not matching, that will provide you none. It means that is an invalid email ID. So let's see if I'm going to run this piece of code. So it will ask the enter the email ID. If I'm going to enter the email ID Dinesh 1123 right at the rate gmail.com. So it is the valid Gmail ID, right? And if I'm going to execute this piece of code for the negative, for the not matching, in that case, if I'm going to enter Ramesh gmail.com, it do not contain any at the rates, in that case, it will tell you that this is the invalid mail ID, right? So this is the overall explanation about the how we are going to use this full match condition. So in the regular expressions, the full match is one of the method which is used to full match for particular input as with the whatever the filter conditions. So in this filter condition, if we go one by one, so slash w, it means that allowed the character is small, lowercase, uppercase, alphabetical 0 to till 9, and then underscore and dot. So underscore and dot is also allowed in the Gmail ID case. In the email ID, underscore and dot is allowed. So these are the valid conditions, characters which is allowed in the Gmail ID, and we are using the star. So star, it means that there is no restriction that how many characters we are going to be write in the Gmail ID. It may be Dinesh Kumar, it may be Dinesh Kumar Kumar Kumar, maybe length will be vary, right? So that's why we are using the star here itself, right? And then at the rate Gmail, this is the hard code because it should be matched as should be each and every Gmail ID should have this strings, right? And then dot is there, so for that we have to mention the in the square bracket, right? So for the square bracket, if I'm going to mention any characters, right, so it is only allowed the a, so it will be take care of the at the rate dot, and then .com is basically a fixed one. So these are the structure which actually match the create the Gmail ID and match during the runtime. So if this entered Gmail ID is matching with the criteria of full match with the criteria of these filter conditions in the regular expression, in that case m will be having the value of Gmail ID and m will be having the value of Gmail ID. In that case it will not be a null, right? And it will having the valid Gmail ID. If it is none, in that case it is the invalid, right? So this is the matching, this is the validation of the Gmail ID. I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you so much.